Hi, Snowstorm 2006, Sunday, February the 5th. This snowstorm started out like any of the previous year's snowstorms, with over a foot of snow having fallen during the first 24-hour period. It's no wonder the electricity also failed, 2.5 days without power.
How deep is it, Ken?
2 feet.
Bang on.
Yes.
Right now, we're going to go and pick Mary up from the local fitness centre in Durham. Most Canadians try to get on with their lives, irrespective of the weather conditions, unless the forecast is really bad. Out on the highway, you can be faced with conditions ranging from a snowbound road